Hey guys, and welcome back to Rose Tinted. So at 24 weeks pregnant, a mother of a now walking toddler, running a home and all of the other stress that life so confidently provides, sometimes I need a little bit of TLC, and so will you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to talk you through how I pamper myself on those days when I have a little bit of time for a pick-me-up. So without further ado, let's get started. The obvious first step is to start running a hot bubble bath, and to create these luxurious bubbles I've been using and loving the Di Palomo Orange Blossom and Wild Honey bubble bath. Can I just point out I'd love it if my bath actually ran this quickly. So usually whilst my bath is running, I like to look out the products that I'll be using whilst I'm in the bath, and this is just to save time and to be a little bit more organised. Once I've looked out what I need in the bath, I love making sure the candles are lit, the bed is made, and my bedroom is relaxing for when I eventually flop out of the bath. By this point, my bath is usually run and I'm just letting it sit for a while. Now it's time for the sweet relief of removing all of the oily makeup that I've had on my skin throughout the day, and because I'm planning to do more skincare in the bath, I'm just going in with my Garnier, my Stellar Water and some cotton pads for now. I'm clearly pushing the boat out tonight by adding a bath bomb. This is Starry Night from Lush that was kindly gifted to me by our friend Ewan at Christmas, and whilst this is bubbling away, I'm going to look out my pajamas, and tonight I've gone for my new Game of Thrones pajamas, hello Jon Snow, and cosy slippers courtesy of Primark. Then once again, I'm looking out all of the products I'll be using after the bath so I don't have to go hunting later. I have body care products and skincare products. Now it's time for the best bit, and that is getting into that hot, lush bubble bath. This moment is what I live for at the end of a stressful week. Now that I'm in the bath, I'm going to start off with a Clinique foaming facial wash just to remove any makeup that I may have missed. And then I like to go in with the Soap and Glory Vitamin C facial wash as well. Then it's time for this amazing raspberry and pomegranate body scrub from Spa, and then of course my razor, because smooth legs are life and this razor makes it so quick and so easy. I like to go in with the Spa Mango and Passion Fruit Body Wash because this stuff smells incredible, and of course a little bit of Femme Fresh because who doesn't want to stay fresh. Jumping right in with body care, I like to go in with my Spa Mango and Passion Fruit Body Butter. I use this on my knees, my elbows, and of course my baby bump to avoid dry patches and to attempt to prevent stretch marks. To add a bit of colour to my relatively pasty skin, I use my Dove Nourishing Care Visible Glow Gradual Tanning Lotion, and I use this all over my body. I'm aware it looks like I'm singing to myself, but I swear I'm not. If you are anything like me, then dry hands are a huge no-no, so a generous amount of the almond milk and honey hand cream from the Body Shop is an absolute must for me. I love this stuff. Don't forget the wrists, people, don't forget the wrists. Now moving on to skincare. The Garnier Organic Time Perfecting Toner is absolutely amazing for refreshing the skin and leaving it feeling super clean without feeling stripped, and for this I just use cotton pads. It's eye cream time. TLC for those under eye bags and dark circles are a must. Thanks, Dad. This is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Golden Age eye cream, and I apply this using a heated sonic eye massager. It's absolutely incredible. If you haven't got one, get one. And if you don't have one, then just use your ring fingers. It's a little bit more delicate than using any of your other fingers. lastly, I like to go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost cream, and this stuff is amazing for seriously hydrating my face and leaving it soft and smooth and a little less sad and angry the morning after. Also, I'd like to point out that a lip balm or a treatment is super important. For some reason, I didn't film a close-up, but I did use an N-Spa almond lip butter in this video. Whilst being pregnant, having a bottle of water by my bed has been super refreshing and really important, and by this time it's also time for me to pick up my book, and the one I'm currently reading is The Family Upstairs by Lisa Jewell. It's been really good so far, but I haven't read enough to give a proper review. Removing the cushions and moving Spuggy over is an essential part of eventually getting into bed at some point in the evening. As part of the Hallen fam, I love to put on one of Danielle Hallen's true crime videos in the background, just whilst I unwind and read a bit of my book. Generally, I'll read anywhere from half an hour to an hour in the evening, no more than that, otherwise I start forgetting what I've read. When my eyes start getting heavy, it's time to turn off the telly, put down the book, and turn down for the night. I'd like to point out that when I go to bed, I obviously don't sleep as neatly as I portray here. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!